What if I told you you are going to create advanced e-commerce application without writing a single line of code? What if I told you you are going to create this mega e-commerce project within 7 hours? Don't just take my word, but you can watch the full demo of our project. Every individual topic is covered in this e-commerce project. All you need to have a very basic knowledge of Next.js and Trae AI subscription or Cursor subscription. Yes, guys, Trae AI, which launched few weeks ago, which is 6 times cheaper than Cursor, which is only $3 per first month, with having 600 fast requests. What if I told you you don't need any backend developer or front-end developer or any UI or UX designer for this? We completed this project by using only 110 requests. Imagine how many projects you can develop with leftover credits. From developing our own authentication system to verifying product reviews, each topic is covered. You are going to learn how to use AI for bigger projects like this, from front end to back end. We are building our own authentication system. We are going to build admin dashboard from scratch using artificial intelligence, whether it could be Cursor or Trae AI. We are going to build e-commerce by taking template, which is totally free. The core logic of e-commerce and the admin dashboard is covered. So if I build this course without using any artificial intelligence, it would take up to 45-hour course. Big update will also going to be available, which we are going to see how can we update the e-commerce app after 2 months of time using Expo. Coming to the present situation, you are going to have all of the source code for the admin dashboard, for the front end, and for the full e-commerce website. You are going to have source codes. You are going to have updates based on your recommendations. You are going to have 30-day money back guarantee for this course. You are going to have mobile app after 2 months of time. You are going to have support. Your questions will be answered within 24 hours. And everything you need. The choice is yours. Will you remain in the 98% who don't know how to use AI for bigger projects like this? Or will you learn how to use AI and be among the 2% who stay ahead of everyone else? It's up to you. Not just take my word. This is just an intro. Look at the demo of the admin and website as well. See you there, guys.